So welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create an AI agent which can automate all our WhatsApp conversation such that whenever we receive a new query, it is automatically resolved without any human interference. So here I've already created this AI agent. We are going to test this once. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'll send a message like, hey, I want to get a service done, but I don't want any surprises or hidden charges. I have sent this message. Now let's wait for the reply. If I receive the reply based on the same query which I have sent, then this is going to show us the AI agent which I've created using Pabbly Chatflow is working fine. So here I have received this response. Absolutely, I understand your concern. We believe in complete transparency. There are no hidden charges. Any extra cost is always informed and approved by you. Which service would you like to get done? Example, AC service, plumbing, electrical, cleaning, or appliance repair. I'll collect a few details and provide you with an instant all-inclusive quote. So I'm going to go with this AC repair. I'll send this message. Now let's wait for the reply. So it's saying, great choice to generate an accurate and transparent quote. For your AC repair, I'll need quick details. So here, what type of AC do you have? So here I have entered these details: window, general service, 1 ton. Then I have entered my code and the timing, which is 10 a.m. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply here. So it has sent me these details. Thank you for the details. Here is your instant code, your instant service code. Then this is the service, this is the unit, base price is this, taxes and visit charges included. Then it has provided total estimated cost, location is this, preferred time is this, code validity is this. Then would you like to book now, request call back, modify details, let me know how you'd like to proceed. I'm going to ask a question like, don't you give any discounts? Let's check what reply it gives to me. So this is a very general question. After that, I have received this code. I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply here. So it says, I understand the importance of getting the best value. Currently, our pricing is fixed and we do not offer discounts or bargaining. Our rate includes trained technicians, genuine parts and service warranty to ensure quality and peace of mind. So here it has replied to me in this manner. You see, whatever query, whatever question, whether it is specific or general or a random query, I am posting here, it is replying to me instantly. So this happened because of the knowledge base which I have created in my Pabbly Chatflow while training this AI agent. Now, how do you create this knowledge base and train your AI agent? For that, be with me in this video till the end, and we are going to start creating this AI agent from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create this AI agent which is instantly replying to all the customer queries using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to do this using Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll go with this Pabbly Chatflow access now. And here the dashboard has appeared in front of me. You can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now here, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, the detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, WhatsApp payment settings, and get help. We have again created the detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. Now to create this AI agent, on the left hand side we have this option of AI assistant. Let's open this. Here I've landed towards this page of AI Assistant. You can see the total AI Assistant, active AI Assistant, and the inactive AI Assistant. These three AI Assistants are active on some chat. To create a new AI Assistant, you simply have to click on this Add AI Assistant. First, name this. So here the name is Instant Quote on WhatsApp using a chatbot. And now I simply need to click on this Add AI Assistant. So here I've landed towards this page, and from here I need to enter all these details to complete this AI assistant or the AI agent. The first one is AI instruction. Here first I need to select the instruction type. In this drop down, I can find all the instruction type. I'm going to select it as AI agent, and as soon as I select this, all the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference. Next, we have this AI configuration where we have this temperature. So set how the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'll keep it as 0.7 and the AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-4o mini, and then I need to enter this API key. To get this API key, a hyperlink is provided to me in the help desk. I'll open this and it will take me towards the API keys page of OpenAI. I'm on the paid account of OpenAI, and you have to make sure that you also have the paid account of OpenAI. To create a new key, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. You have to select the default project and the permissions as all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Now here, as I've already created the API key, I am going to paste that over here. And then we simply have to click on this connect. Please do not forget to click on this connect after adding your API key. Next, we have this AI assistant setting. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. We have to toggle this on, then we have to enter the stop keyword. Now when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, they can send this keyword and the AI will stop replying to them. We have to enter stop. Let's suppose I'm going to enter stop and then press enter. And in this manner, I have added the stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. So when the AI fails to respond, the number of a retry attempt you give is entered here. So you can enter the valid range from 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 1. For now, I'm going to toggle this off. Then we have this fallback message. So when the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to respond accurately to all the queries. So in this case, this fallback message will be sent. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. Now over here, when your AI agent is not able to respond, you can also add the contact details or the company information. So when the query is not resolved, they can contact you directly. So you can also add your contact details in this fallback message. We are done with this first part. Moving on towards this knowledge source, which is the very important part while creating this AI agent. With the help of this knowledge source only, we train our AI agent to respond in a particular manner. Now I'm going to select it as upload file, and then I'm going to click on this cloud, select the file, and then open this. And in this manner, I have uploaded this knowledge source or the knowledge base. Now I have created this knowledge base in my Google document, which I'm going to open. So this is the knowledge base which I've created. Send instant quotes on WhatsApp using a chatbot. So here I have entered the name of the business home service company, then example, then the business goal, what this AI quote chatbot does, complete customer flow, then the service specific questioning, then the price logic, instant quote delivery, handling follow-up and random questions, objection handling, booking and confirmation flow, edge case and random query handling, multi-service code, policies and rules data stored, AI tone, behavior, application stack. So I have provided just the general details. You have to provide the detailed information of your company or your service, and based on all the knowledge, of all the information which you are going to provide in this particular knowledge base, it is going to answer to your customer. Now here I have simply created and downloaded this. You can download this in PDF or .txt format. And if your PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. That's it. So here moving on towards the next part, which is this assistant interface. So we have this brand name you see over here. If I write only name, you see it will start displaying over here. If you want to provide the subheading message, you can do that. If you want to remove, you can do that. Then we have the initial messages. So you can enter 2 initial messages using which your bot is going to reply. Then we have this enable powered by Pabbly. If you want to enable, you can keep it enabled. If you want to disable, you can disable this and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer link and the footer text. I have entered privacy policy and the link in this footer link, and you can see over here. You can enter this according to your choice and preference. Then we have this user first message. So whenever the user sends this message, my AI agent is going to reply, but this is not necessary. Based on any message or any query, my AI agent is going to reply to that particular user, and it is not necessary that they send this I need help message only. Moving on towards the next option, we have the styling. So I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and it will start displaying. I'm going to keep it as light. Then we have this assistant shape, so you can select it as circle, square, rounded, square. And then we have this background color, text color, button color, chat bubble color. You can select this according to your choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. So just in the similar manner, we have uploaded the knowledge base. You can upload these details. So we are done creating this AI agent. This was the final part. We have to toggle on this button to keep this active, and if we do not toggle this on, the messages won't be sent. And then we have to save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost. So here AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant to your website using this particular code, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards this conversation. So now we have to learn a very important thing. We have to learn how we can enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts. On the left hand side where you can see this inbox, I'm going to open this in a new tab. So here this is my chat. I'm going to click on this toggle, and then I'm going to select the AI assistant which we have just created and save this. In this manner, we have enabled this particular AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually is a very illogical manner, and that's why we are going to activate or assign this to a group or to all the contacts. For that, we have to go towards the settings. We have to click on this inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And we have landed towards this inbox settings. Now over here, if I scroll down, I get this option of AI auto reply settings, where we have this enable AI auto replies. I'm going to toggle this on. Now over here, what you can do, you can select a particular list and assign this particular AI assistant to that particular list. You can add more rules, select another list, assign another AI assistant to that particular list, or you can add more rules and select all the contacts, and then assign this AI assistant to all the contacts. And in this manner, you simply have to save this, and this AI assistant will be assigned to this particular chat, and this will be assigned to this particular chat, and this AI assistant will be assigned to all the contacts. You simply have to save this. So this is how we can assign AI assistant to particular chat, to particular group, or to all the contacts. So here I'm going to test this once for the last time. I'm going to send a last question like, so I'm going to send this question, can I cancel later? So let's wait for the reply here. It says, yes, you can cancel up to 2 hours before the service without any charges. If you have more question or need assistance with something else, feel free to ask. So yes, this AI agent is working fine. It is replying to my queries. So this is how we have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow and automated all our WhatsApp conversation. If you have any question, you can comment on this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Now before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHOPPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.